Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'll be doing a ballet bar style stretch. I'll be using a chair for this routine, but you can use anything where you can prop up your leg comfortably. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, let's get started with our ballet bar stretch. Ideally, you want to warm up your hamstrings a little bit before getting into a ballet bar stretch because you do have to lift your leg up onto a bar. Today I'm just going to be using a little chair. So we're going to start, I'm starting with my right leg, bringing my leg up. And for this first stretch, I want to make sure that I am facing my leg. So my hips aren't open like this. They are facing my legs squared. So let's come here with your hips squared towards your leg. We're gonna bring our arms to high fifth and exhale over and down. Ideally, you wanna try and get your nose to your knee, but be gentle. Inhale, exhale, come down a little bit further. And make sure that you're not sticking your hip out. You want your hips to be in line with each other. And gently come up from here. Arms to high fist, chest open to the ceiling, and up. Now we're gonna rotate and face forward. Again, my hips aren't up like this. They are in line with each other. So next we're gonna go ahead, take our opposite arm as leg and reach it up and over, looking on our leg. We're stretching out the side of our body and reaching towards our foot. Breathe. Gently breathe it up. Now, while keeping this hip down, we're going to go ahead and reverse the stretch up and away. Gently coming up. Now, this next one is a little bit tricky. We're going to go ahead, rotate our hips, and bring our leg behind us, just like this. So now our hips are facing directly back. Slowly bring your hands to the ground. Breathe here. Breathe in, try to get a little bit closer to your leg. Exhale. Tucking the head in as much as you can. And you can give a gentle bend in that bottom knee to slowly come up. Rotate back front and gently bring your leg in. Switching sides, I'm going to move my ballet bar over to the next side and repeat. So we're going to go ahead, face our hips to the corner. Gently prop your leg up without bringing your hip up. If your hip is going up, that means you might need to prop your leg up somewhere that is a little bit lower. So again, come up to high fifth. Inhale, exhale, forward. Breathing in, and as you exhale, try to get your nose a little bit closer to your knee. Point those toes. Breathing in one more time and exhale, go a little further. Gently roll it up. Arms in high fifth and open the chest to the ceiling. Now rotate that bottom heel out. scoot a little bit out so that nicely you're facing hips forward, leg out to the side instead of in front. Now it's to the side of you. Let's come over, opposite arm as leg, and reach it. Your arm can either come towards the foot or it can reach underneath like this. Reach, stretch out that side. Gently come up and keeping this hip down. Don't lift it up like this. We're gonna reach away from the leg. So coming up and over, reaching away. Hip down, pointed toe. Come up, arms to second, and down. Now again, this requires a little bit of balance. We're gonna rotate so that our leg is now behind us. So we started with our leg in front of us, to the side of us, and now behind us. So I'm gonna rotate on this ball of my foot to come back. So now it's completely behind me. It's not open like this, it's completely behind me. Gently coming down, hands to the ground. Breathe in, and as you exhale, try to get a little bit further to the knee. Inhale, exhale a little bit further. Gently bend the knee and come up slow. Here, rotate back to the front and gently release the leg. Bringing my bar to the center, gently stretch out those calves. And I like to also bring a little bend in the back knee to stretch out my Achilles. Bringing that up to a quad stretch. Give an extra stretch by tucking your hips under. Woof. Release it gently, second side, calf stretch. Bending the knee to get into that Achilles. And lifting up, quad stretch. Tucking the hips under to get an extra stretch. Gently release it. Shake it out, and you should be all stretched. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and if you liked my outfit in today's video, be sure to click the shelf below to purchase one for yourself. And don't forget to check out more videos in my series. See you later!
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.